Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins in Pinterest. Staying updated on comments can enhance your Pinterest experience, allowing you to engage more with your followers. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the Saved section at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your favorite pins are stored. Tap on Saved, and then click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, you need to navigate to the notification settings. Look for the option that says Notifications and tap on it. This section is crucial as it allows you to customize how you receive updates from Pinterest. Once you're in the Notifications menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Pins You Saved. Here, you'll see an option specifically for comments. Click on this option to access the comment notification settings. To enable in-app notifications for comments, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. This action ensures that you'll receive alerts whenever someone comments on your saved pins, keeping you informed and engaged with your audience. After enabling this feature, make sure to check back regularly. Pinterest is constantly updating its features, and staying connected through notifications can help you make the most out of your pinning experience. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily enable in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins in Pinterest. Now you'll never miss out on valuable feedback or interactions with your followers. Enjoy exploring and engaging with your Pinterest community.